Hello, welcome to this channel. If you clicked on this video, it means you want to learn how to speak French. And let me tell you that you are at the right place because this channel has been built especially to teach people how to speak French. But before we start with the first lesson, I would like to take the time to introduce myself. My name is Isaac. French is my first language and I put together a step-by-step process that will help you learn how to speak French faster and be able to communicate in real-life situations. I advise you to follow the progression as intended without skipping any lessons because they are structured in an incremental way, starting from the basics and building up with more and more details as you go further. Make sure you understand the lesson before moving to the next one. You are welcome to pause and take notes or watch each lessons multiple times. Here are some tips that will help you learn faster. Repeat aloud the words and phrases you will encounter. Allow your mouth and tongue to get used to these new sounds. Don't rush the process. Build solid foundations by learning and understanding the basics of the French language first, and it will help you as you go further. Practice as much as you can every day, and finally, enjoy the journey. I'm grateful for this opportunity because by teaching you how to speak French, I also get to improve my English. With that said, let's get into the first lesson. Let's begin with reading the French alphabet. Repeat with me. A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. The French language has 5 letters accents. We have the acute accent. In French, it translates accent aigu, and it's found on the letter E, and it is read E. We also have the grave accent. In French, it's called accent grave, and it's found on the letter A, E, and U. When it's on the letter A, the reading doesn't change, it's still A. On the letter U, it's still U. But on the letter E, it reads E. E. We have the circumflex accent. In French, it's called accent circumflex. And it's found on the letters A, E, I, O, and U. When it's found on the letter A, the reading doesn't change, it's still A. Same with I, O, and U. But when it is found on the letter E, it reads E. E. We also have the cedilla. In French, it's called la cédille, and it's usually found under the letter C. And finally, we have the diaresis accent. In French, it's called le tréma, and it's usually found on the letter E and I. That's all for the accents in the French language. Now that you know how to read the French alphabet, let's see how they are pronounced using actual words. We are going to start with consonants. B, bleu, bleu, de, devoir, devoir, feu, fin, fin, que, kaki, kaki, le, lion, lion, me, maison, maison, ne, nuit, nuit, peu, petit, petit, ce, salut, salut, te, tête, tête, veux, vélo, vélo, ze, zéro, zéro, que, crayon, crayon, ce, leçon, leçon, che, chien, chien, que, quitter, quitter, gueux, guide, guide, mieux, gagner, gagner, hôpital, hôpital, jouer, jouer, rue, rue, thème, thème, excellent, excellent. Now let's get into vowels. A, avion, avion. A, voilà, voilà. A, patte, patte. Mais, O, faux, faux. O, pot, pot. E, le, et, t, et, né, est, mère, est, tête, et, mais, est, 16, I, livre, I, il, O, océan, océan. Eau, haute, haute. Ou, pour, pour. U, pure, pure. Now let's read the semi-vowels. Y, yaourt, yaourt. Ye, payer, payer. Ille, fille, fille. Ouille, mouiller, mouiller. Ei, pareil, pareil. Aïe, portail, portail. Œil, feuille, feuille. Oui, lui, lui. Huée, ruée, ruée. Oin, joint, joint. Heure, peur, peur. Oie, moi, moi. Oie, employé, employé. Oui, lui, lui. The S is mute here. And Louis is also a common name in French. Ou, bou, bou. Un, enfin, enfin. Un, champ, champ. Un, ciment, ciment. Un, embrasser, embrasser. Un, matin, matin. M, impoli, impoli. Un, pain, pain. Un, fin, fin. Bien, bien, bien. On, bonbon, bonbon. On, non, non. Un, un, un. This wraps up the first lesson. In the next lesson, we are going to talk about greetings in the French language. I will see you there.